Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and then we'll end it with Toncoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin against USD, here we are. Just past the halving over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. It's been 11 days after the halving. Anything for us? Nope. Are we in a choppity chop? Yes, chopping chop. Chop up, chop down, chop, 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 chop. How much lower are we gonna go? I don't know. There are clusters of cells here and here, so I suspect there could be a lightning move down as we go back higher. Again, just a reminder. On a weekly, to be honest, we're still kind of above it, right? We actually closed above it. The close for this weekly candlestick was 63,000. The open 63113. This is 63. What's the close? 63118. 113? 118. So it's still above the week for 4th of March. So it's still good to me. On the monthly, okay, monthly looks a bit scary now. I hope we don't close under this. The moment we close under this, that's it. It's a bearish engulfing, and we could be heading lower. So in the event that we get a bearish engulfing for Bitcoin, how much lower could we go? Okay, there are two levels that we're looking at. One is around 57,000. The other one is at, again, this noisy area. So there are two levels we're looking at where Bitcoin could fall down to. So yeah, again, hopefully we stay up. We see some sort of a strong rally coming in, right? And we get an inverse head and shoulders. This would be awesome. But should we drop any lower, right? And we form mountain ranges, this could be a bearish continuation towards the downside. However, I don't think this is a strong bearish continuation. It doesn't look like a bearish reversal yet, but we'll also keep an eye out on the skinny pink line. The moment we touch it, that's it, we'll switch bearish. But we're still above it, so we will continue with our bullish bias for BTC. ETH against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum BTC. We are still under the skinny pink line, so the bearish trend is still on. Volatility is just not really that big. We've been very slowly dropping. How much lower we're gonna drop? We don't know. We don't know. Again, very noisy over here. So probably sub 4. 0.04. Right now at 0.05. So we could still drop lower. But of course we could also rally from here. Again, no strong opinion for FBTC. FUSD looks to me like in a to be like in a falling channel. And falling channels usually break higher. However, we are very close to the highs over here, right? And if you were to, take November 2021 as an example, we were also in something like a falling channel. What happened? We drop even lower, right? We crossed the skinny pink line. And that's it. The moment you cross the skinny pink line, you switch your bullish bias to a bearish one. And so, watch out for the skinny pink line. I think it's still good though. We could get another wave lower, to be honest. It's really a shooting star here. Sure, we could drop a little bit lower, sweep the lows over here, and continue breaking higher. As long as we don't touch the skinny pink line, we're good. So we're expecting continuation, right? FBTC is still kind of in a limbo. So yeah, we're waiting for something more clear from Ethereum first. I know a lot of people on Twitter, especially, they're calling for buying ETH at these levels and expecting ETH to continue rising higher. So I'm not sure about that. I suspect that we could be coming down for a C. A, B, C. So I don't know. I could be alone in this. Doesn't feel like anybody calling for a potential low. Yeah, but I'm aware of the, downfalls of ETH if it were to happen. Again, next support will probably come in at around 2005. If 2005 doesn't hold, we'll probably drop to this small little noisy area over here at around 2000. Will F drop to 2000? Again, we're not sure. We don't see the bearishness yet, right? Like for example, over here, there was a clear head and shoulders. And of course we dropped, right? Over here, it's not that clear. So no strong opinion for F at this point of time. BNB, okay, BNB, we have strong opinion. BNB is bullish. BNB against BTC, we're above the skinny pink line. There was a nice little consolidation, and now we're slowly inching our way towards the upside. How much higher could we go? Again, noisy area over here. So you have to guess 0.011. We're 0.0095. So about another 20% more. So more upside to be expected for BNB, especially against BTC. So if we rise against BTC, obviously we're going to be rising against USD. And we're in kind of an inverse hand shoulders. Very small right shoulder over here. Left shoulder, very big head. Very small right shoulder. If you could zoom into the small time frames, this in itself is a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles are bidirectional. So we're anticipating a continuation towards the upside. Anyway, for BNB, we have big targets which we've derived weeks before. 1240, 1566 as we approach close to 2000. Big targets, eh? Big targets for BNB. But yeah, no, I think there's still more upside. Look at the volume over here. Previously, as we approach the highs, you will see strong selling coming in, right? Strong selling coming in as we approach the highs. This is not strong. I think there's still more upside. So yeah, but again, as long as we have, as long as we stay under this big resistance line, right? To be honest, BNB could still drop a bit lower. We're still above the skinny pink line. We're still bullish. And even if you were to drop lower, right, just to sweep these lows, we're still bullish. We're still bullish. So we're expecting BNB to still continue higher towards our target at 1240 and 1566. Solana, okay, Solana, BTC, right? It looks scary to me. Okay, what do I mean by that? If you look at Sol BTC, this is left shoulder, head. Could we get a right shoulder? I don't know. We're still above the skinny pink line though. So things still look good to me. But if I had to count the waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're done. This is 5. Sure, we could zip up a little bit higher, right? Get an ending fifth wave, maybe. And then we come back down, right? So if anything, I will anticipate Sol BTC to come back down for a wave C. You see this? So yeah, Sol couldn't. Again, no clear, strong opinion for Sol BTC. We are aware of the potentials of it dropping from here, and we're also aware that we could still rise a little bit higher and then potentially dropping. We're very overheated, so be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Sol BTC. But as long as we're above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias. Sol against USD is still in a bullish move, right? But we're very, very close to the highs over here. So could this be the very end? I'm not too sure. Could we get maybe a higher high over here? Right, something like this. Up, down, marginally higher high. And then something like a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, something like that. And then we drop. So all eyes should be on the skinny pink line. The moment we cross it, let's see, we switch to a bearish bias, right? Again, we are still away from it, but there's a very clear support here somewhere. Sure, we could be rising a bit higher first before heading lower, but yeah, you gotta watch out for this, right? It will probably coincide with the skinny pink line. So maybe, this might happen somewhere down the line, somewhere. We have no strong opinion for Sol, so yeah, be careful about rushing in though at 135. XRP, yes, XRP is still very bearish. Again, XRP BTC is really, really bearish, right? Big, gigantic left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You see this? Scary stuff. But we're at the support, so there could be a bounce here though. Again, no strong opinions, except the higher time frames is very bearish. Uber bearish, right? We're still under the skinny pink line on the weekly. So long-term trend is still bearish. We had a very nice potential over here, but we didn't turn bullish. So XRP BTC is really bearish. It's not good. XRP against USD is also not good. XRP USD, we have been anticipating the possibility of XRP heading down to sub 17 cents, 16 cents around there. We're at 50 cents right now. This is a huge drop if we drop to 16 cents. And you can see that every time we rally, we get pulled down, rally, get pulled down, rally, we get pulled down. Now we're in a rally. What do you think is going to happen next? We're at the skinny pink line though, but I don't think we're breaking it. Sure, there could be a rally, but I feel that if we were to rally, this is a good short entry. This is what I think. But yeah, it's still largely bearish. If anything, I would still expect XRP to hit lower. Sub 17 cents. Once we drop to sub 17 cents, 16 cents maybe. If we drop to sub 16 cents, a big truck will be waiting here. Okay, let me just see if I can draw a truck. With the wheels, yeah. This will be the XRP back. If we drop that lower at 15 cents, 16, 15 cents, yeah, you load up the truck. But as of now, yeah, no, I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea. So be patient. Be patient. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Doge. So Doge is not really above the skinny pink line, right? We've been mucking around here and there. We slice back down, we slice up, down, and up and down. It's like, yo, bro, what's happening? Head and shoulders, maybe. Again, no strong opinion for DOGE BTC. Could we drop lower? We're not too sure. We're not too sure. Against USD, here we are for Dogecoin. Okay, Doge against USD is good. We're still above the skinny pink line. We still have our 30 cents target. We're at 14 cents right now, so a little bit higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe another wave down. 5. Clear all of the lows. Bam! Move back up. Could be a lightning recovery. Again, not entirely sure. So we're going to have to take things one step at a time. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for Dogecoin, Toncoin. So Ton against BTC. If you look at it on BTC, yeah, we're still above the skinny pink line. We're up, consolidating. I suspect there's another move higher. We're consolidating over here. How many more days, weeks? We're not sure. Might take months even before we continue higher. But we're expecting more upside for Ton. Not just on BTC though. On the USD pair as well. Because we have big targets over here. Ta-da! $13.50. So if you look over here, this was an ascending. Value 1, value 2, breakout. Consolidation. So I expect this consolidation to bring us to 1350. So if anything, I would suspect that this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. We are in the midst of a wave 4. However low we're going to go, I would expect us to recover back towards 1350. If I had to guess... Okay, we're already at a noisy area over here, right? Of course, we could recover from here. But I would expect us maybe to drop to this area here. Right, maybe at around, if I had to guess, again, $4, sub 450, 440, 430, maybe $4.30 maybe. And after that, we continue higher for Toncoin. So Toncoin is already in a very, very bullish trend. And we expect this trend to continue higher to $13.50, right? This is a huge bullish reversal that broke out towards the upside. So we're expecting more upside. If anything, we're just taking a break. And then, more likely than not, continuation towards the upside for Toncoin. I think once Toncoin continues higher, right, Toncoin's ecosystem, all the other ecosystem coins are going to benefit from it. So there's still another leg up towards the upside. However low we go, right? Let's say, for example, from here, we take a right towards 1350. It's another 149%. More upsides to be expected for Toncoin. So yeah, I should look out for maybe the next week, we could take a look at Ton ecosystem coins. We'll see. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have yet to check out the comments last week, do check it out. See you in the next one. Ta-da!